you can hear the music in the background, but that just lined up so beautifully. Do you ever experience that when you're just doing life and the lyrics that you hear in a song, or the words on the TV, or what you're exactly doing, or you're reading something at the same time that word is said on the device that's playing? I don't know what that means. I guess I'm never gonna know. And then we got our babies, baby. Ooh, baby. Oh, baby. Ooh. Oh, fuck. Not cool, guys. All right, let's try again. Then we got our most practical one. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Yes. Perfect. So cute. Give me a coffee table with some pennies up on some beads.
Start doing some of the things we're going to talk about for the rest of this video.
Oh my gosh, I almost forgot about this one. Where should she go? Oh, there's my doll table. Okay, I don't know where this one's gonna go. I guess it'll go on the shelf until I figure it out later. I mean, cats eat lizards, and there's a cat. There we go. Oh. Cheers.